Hi guys, did you see that? Today we're gonna try to break this Mario just it was in Dynamite Field with these cars. Oh, this is gonna be something, I betcha. And first one go is this passenger blue car. Oh, we make it second, mouse. Whoa, close. And green goes, green is good in your mouth, like that. Oh, sneaky one. Boing. Oh, sneaky one is a nice one car. Oh, now it's pickup time. Red is in your face. How do you think? How do you think someone can get through the Mario like above his head? Let's see it. Oh, in my mind. This is currently in my mind. You know, I get it. You didn't get it, joke. Oh. Oh, when? It's a when time. Oh, my eye. This is great. Oh, this is great. And black one. Oh, he's gonna bring Mario some little bit of Wi-Fi. Oh, Wi-Fi, you need it, bro. You need it. There's no more Wi-Fi. It's disconnected. Oh, truck. Boom, I want a boom. Where is my boom? No boom. Oh, I'm sad. Where is boom? Oh. Fly. Oh yeah. Now it's boom, baby. Baba boy. Oh, this is. Oh, no. Miss. But there is gonna be a little bit of. Oh, where is all the cars? Ow, I'm getting through. Oh, breaking head. Oh, get the breaking head. Oh, please. Oh, this is getting through to you. Oh, this is killing our Mario guy. Whoa, I'm going to go. Wow, so much energy. Wow, black is so bad. Safe com is for a safe guy, and now they don't gonna save this Mario. They're gonna destroy him. Peaceful. No, but dynamite blow. Oh, profanate. Don't miss. Don't. Yes. Oh, shakalaka. Like that. Oh, bus time. This is the bus time. Everyone go to school. Oh, mama. Oh, instructions. Car. But there is a destruction car. There is no construction anymore. Only destruction. Oh, for fun. Don't miss that. Yes. No. Oh, so close. Push for the boom. No fortune. Oh, this is gonna be strong. This is actual destruction car. Hulk is beating. And this seventh car is destruction in your face. It's on server. Hard time for Mario. This distraction card is also distraction. Oh, now headfall. We got a headfall, and now we're gonna get it through the head. Above. Oh no, close, but big, but and above the head, this is the last one. We can do it, guys. We did it. Yeah.